This week we find a chateau hidden behind a bush.
Maria gets a crick in her neck.
Justin gets locked in the tower.
We ascend 1,000,000 steps.
We check out the castle's indoor plumbing.
Maria enters a fairy tale world.
And we find the perfect park-up, but with one little problem. We've just passed some orchards with some apples growing, really cool. We're on our way now to our next park-up, but we do need to stop off at a supermarket at some point because we're running low on like staples like bread and butter and things like that.
Septmont?
Yeah. So
well, actually, I said that like a British person.
Yeah.
Septmont.
Septmont. Wow, that is fab. It's like a fairy tale castle. So we've just pulled up in this little tiny village. Oh God, it looks so pretty. It's like something out of a fairy tale. But where we've pulled up in this car park, I mean, it is the only place really to park. But there are these dogs that are just barking and barking. They seem to have stopped for a minute, but they don't stop for long. And it sounds like there's like 30 of them in a garden somewhere, and they all start barking and all start howling. So wish us luck for sleeping tonight. We could move, don't get me wrong, but it's so pretty here. We really want to have a look around tomorrow. It's quite late now, it's 9 o'clock now, so it's a bit late to be wandering about. But there's an absolutely beautiful castle. It looks like a fairy tale castle, but we'll show you that tomorrow. That's them.
So here we are, we've pulled up in a little car park in the middle of the village green. It's a lovely little park up, I gotta be honest. There was one van here yesterday when we pulled up, and there was another one here this morning when we awoke, but they've already left. Probably went in and seen the chateau first thing this morning. But yeah, look where we are. We're right in front of our cathedral, and if you look this way, you can see the top of the chateau. The village shop over by here, that's shut from the 12th of August till the 28th of August for summer shutdown. Who knew that still happened? I was expecting a loaf of bread this morning, but we didn't get it. But still, amazingly quiet little village, except for a big American car that drove through here yesterday. The only other noise really is, I'm sure there's a pack of bloodhounds in that garden right behind us. And every time anyone makes a noise or Lenny backs, they howl at the moon like a bunch of hounds.
Yeah, how they built this is incredible. And it's still standing now.
Yeah. Well, it's been destroyed a few times. It's been rebuilt a couple of times. So it got bombed in the First World War and then it was rebuilt then in 1970. So it reminds me of Fairy Tale Castle. It just looks like it should be in like Shrek or something. You can just imagine Princess Fiona and Shrek wandering around here with Donkey following behind. Or even Repunzel up in the tower, up there. Wow.
Septmont Castle was originally built in the 13th century by the Bishop of Soissons, who built it as his summer residence.
It's 43 metres tall with 7 floors.
Sadly, the castle was bombed in 1918 during the war and wasn't rebuilt until 1970.
The Castle of Septmont is now classified as a historic monument. As well as the chateau, there is a square tower from the 14th century and a Renaissance pavilion from the 16th century. The famous French author who wrote Les Mis and The Hunchback of Notre Dame, Victor Hugo, stayed here in 1835. He apparently graffitied on one of the walls. We couldn't find it, but if you ever visit and you do locate it, let us know in the comments below.
Jesus, hot work climbing them stairs. Whose bedroom was this, do you reckon? Some princesses, no doubt. We're going outside. Let's have a look out, yeah. What room was this? Oh, it goes all the way round. Ooh, what do we think that was? I think that might have been the toilet back in the day. This might have been the toilet area. It's got a toilet and it used to fall down outside the castle. Oh, we've gone right round. Cool. Up another flight. Ooh, one of the top levels. Whoa. What a view. Still not reached the top yet, no. Another room. Come on, this has to have been the bishop's chambers. The bishop's chambers.
Oh my god, I'm so tired walking up these stairs.
Yeah, I didn't even get to the top. I just had a quick look now, but Jesus.
Honestly, what is amazing, mind?
Oh, let me out! Let me out! Ooh, another floor. Ooh, look what we found.
Wow.
What a view, huh?
Oh, it's amazing. It's just gorgeous, isn't it? You can see all the way around. It's lovely. When I'm looking down, I'm like, oh, God.
Oh, this is it. Oh my god, we're right to the top. So that's the view from the top. What do you think? It's amazing, isn't it? Unbelievable. Great that someone built this, or had the foresight to build it. Or great that this was the style of building back in the 13th century. Amazing. What they use for scaffolding? Who knows? I wish I'd counted them steps to the top.
Oh my God.
I gotta be honest. I'm glad I didn't.
I made it 3/4 of the way up with a dog, and he packed in. So I'm saying nothing.
You're the winner, Mick. You're the winner.
I'm saying nothing.
Yeah, I'm sure Lord Farquhar's out today because we didn't see him.
We didn't see him today, no. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a credit to him who looks after this place. It's really neat and tidy.
Yeah. Big shout out to the community, and thank you for opening it for the public to come and have a little look. It's absolutely gorgeous.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. So that's the end of this week's vlog. We really hope that you've enjoyed and you maybe have learnt something a little new about France.
I know I have. Please leave a comment and leave a like and subscribe.
And join us next week.
Yeah, we're still heading down through France. We're still quite north at the minute, but we're heading down towards the south now, ready to go into Spain.
Well, it's been a great week so far, and there's loads more to come. So keep watching.
Hey Bambi, what was Pinocchio doing at the beach?
What was he doing, Lenny?
He was lying.
When I'm looking down, I'm like, oh,